I'm here to show you. You could build this. So we just get the frame, put all the pieces together on it, and then you have a better e-bike than you could buy. So thanks for watching. You want an urban destroyer? I did want an urban
destroyer. I mean, look at that like suspension in the front, and I have a fucked left shoulder. It's been dislocated twice, so every pothole really hurts when I'm on my normal bike.
Yeah.
And now I don't even feel it, and I'm gonna get to work a lot faster, and a lot less
awesome.
sweaty.
Yes, yes, yes.
You know, supporting a local bike shop that has like my best interest in mind is something that I definitely wanted. So I was really glad to like be introduced to y'all too.
So here's the beauty. It's the Riff frames, the name of it, the R-I-F-F, Riff, SOMA Riff, steel fabricated hardtail mountain bike gorgeousness. So we built it up with this fork and wheel set and all the parts and pieces, and this amazing Photon motor. It's super smooth. It's torque sensing, but also goes at a decent pace for your cruising. Like, you know, when you get over 20, it switches over to cadence sensing. Feels very smooth and seamless. 14 amp hour battery. So you got a lot of motor power there. It's a 750 watt nominal e-bike mid-drive motor. It's like more than a Bosch or a Yamaha or a Bros or a Shimano. All the big names. This has more power than them. It's not integrated into the frame like those motors would be, but I think that's fine. I think this bike is better than buying a much more higher priced and lower powered option. So I just wanted to show you that this is the kind of thing that's possible. Doing conversion kits is a way better way to get the best performing e-bike. Your partner got an internet e-bike. Well, let's call it a fad bike.
Fad bike,
I got a fad bike and it's already falling apart.
Yeah, like 3 or 4 months in. Yeah, it's shit. Don't do that. Don't do that. Build out your own e-bike.
Yes.
And it'll be sick. And everybody will know it's mine because of the fucking color and the size. And if I see anybody riding it, I will beat the shit out of you. I might be tiny,
but mighty.
Yeah.
Yeah.